A good camera can be an indispensable travel companion, allowing you to capture all of your adventures abroad to share with friends and family. If you want to step up your photography game, you won't lack options. While it can be hard to narrow down, it's important to consider things like portability, battery life, and build quality, as well as your own ergonomic preferences and, most importantly, your budget. You'll find a wide range of top travel cameras below. Number 1. AKASO EK7000 4K 30fps action camera. I recently got my hands on the AKASO EK7000 action camera, and let me tell you, this baby is designed for the adventurers out there. If you're looking to capture your thrill-packed moments in ultra-high definition, this might just be your gadget. With features like 4K recording, wireless remote control, and impressive waterproof capabilities, this camera promises a lot. The first thing I noticed about this camera was its sleek design. The black color gives it a professional and robust look. It's compact, which is exactly what you need for on-the-go adventures. The 2-inch screen might seem small, but it's perfectly adequate for an action camera. This camera doesn't joke around when it comes to quality. Recording at 4K 30fps is fantastic for an action camera in this price range. This is a game changer. With the wireless 2.4G remote, controlling the camera becomes a cakewalk. It makes recording on the move so much easier. However, keep in mind that the remote isn't waterproof, so no deep-sea diving with that one. With two 1050 mAh batteries, this camera ensures you have enough juice for your adventures. Each battery lasts up to 90 minutes, which, to be honest, is quite decent for an action camera. Pros: high-quality 4K recording, user-friendly wireless remote control, impressive waterproofing. Dual battery feature. Cons: the remote is not waterproof. Number 2. Schmidt Spiel Digital Camera AA15. The Schmidt Spiel Digital Camera AA15 is a compact camera that offers more than its size suggests. It's perfect for those who wish to vlog, travel, or just capture their everyday moments in style. While it might not replace high-end DSLRs, for those looking for a mix of quality and portability, this is the camera to consider. The AA15 showcases a sleek compact design. Weighing a mere 264 grams, its lightweight design makes it a joy to handle, especially with its multifunction hand grip. This grip is designed to provide users with easy access to functions like focus, zoom, and shutter. Boasting a 3-foot IPS LCD screen, you can clearly preview your shots and videos. As for connectivity, the Wi-Fi and USB features ensure that you're always connected, making photo sharing a breeze. The 4K vlogging camera is built to deliver. With a clear image quality at 48MP and 18x digital zoom, details will never be missed. The added autofocus and anti-shake features ensure that each photo and video comes out crisp. One can't overlook the 9-square grid function. This feature guides users to click pictures with better proportions, providing a professional touch to every snapshot. The Wi-Fi functionality allows instant sharing, and the camera's ability to be used as a webcam for live streaming is a bonus for the content creators out there. Pros: compact and lightweight design, wide-angle lens, Wi-Fi connectivity for instant sharing, suitable for both photography and vlogging. Cons: while it offers a wide array of features. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game without emptying their pockets. It offers a fantastic combination of image quality, ease of use, and a reliable autofocus system. The heart of any camera is its sensor. With 24.1 MP, you're guaranteed crystal clear photos. Whether you're capturing the vibrant colors of a sunset or the intricate details of a flower, the T7 has got you covered. Gone are the days of removing SD cards or connecting with cables. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology mean you can transfer your pictures in a jiffy. Plus, if you're into live streaming, the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software transforms your camera into a high-quality webcam. Its 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF ensure sharp focus. The metering options like average, center-weighted, and spot are perfect for any shooting scenario, making your photos stand out in any lighting condition. Pros: high-resolution sensor, seamless connectivity with Wi-Fi and NFC, reliable autofocus system, durable construction. Cons: the Digic 4 Plus image processor. Number 4. Famivo 4K Digital Vlogging Camera. Meet the Famivo 4K Vlogging Camera, a compact, yet powerful device tailored for both amateur photographers and seasoned videographers. With its myriad of features, from 48MP photography to anti-shake video capabilities, this camera promises not only to capture memories but also to enhance them. Experience a remarkable video quality with its 4K capabilities, streaming at 30 FPS, whether you're capturing sunsets or high-paced events. The pause, time, lapse, and slow-motion features guarantee a video output that's both versatile and creative. Plus, its webcam functionality is a godsend for live streaming or video calls. The Famivo ensures clarity even in dim content. Its adaptability to external devices, like tripods or microphones, provides an enhanced user experience. The additional functionalities, zoom, time-lapse, continuous shooting, and more, are all designed to cater to varying needs, and with a 1-year warranty, 32GB SD card, and 2 batteries, Famivo ensures you're always ready to capture ions, and its compact nature means you can capture memories wherever you go. Pros: high-resolution photography and videography, lightweight and travel-friendly, built-in flash for clear photos, multifunctional and adaptable to external devices. Cons: 1/3-inch photo sensor size might not appeal. Number 5. CAMKORY Kids Digital Camera. The CAMKORY digital camera is tailored for kids who want to explore the world of photography. It boasts a remarkable 44MP effective still resolution and the ability to shoot FHD 1080p videos. What sets this camera apart is its user-friendliness. There's no need for complicated manual settings. With just a simple press of the shutter button, you can capture high-quality, natural color images effortlessly. This makes it perfect for beginners, even kids as young as 5 years old. CAMKORY doesn't skimp on features either. The camera offers a 16x zoom for capturing distant subjects and a range of 20 creative filter effects for those who want to add a unique touch to their photos. Features like anti-shake, webcam mode, face and smile detection, continuous shooting, and self-timer provide endless possibilities for young photographers. This camera encourages creativity and experimentation. The CAMKORY digital camera stands out as a kid-friendly photography tool. It prioritizes simplicity, durability, and creative exploration, making it a fantastic choice for parents who want to introduce their children to photography. While it's designed for kids, adults can also have fun with it, especially when traveling light. Pros: easy for kids to use, compact and portable, impressive image and video quality, long-lasting battery life. Cons: limited to basic photography, not suitable for professional photography.